This AI extension has multiple search categories. Even you can bookmark your content and customize your themes and font. So first go to the Google and search ChatGPT Prompt Genius and click on the first link. Here you will get an option called Add to Chrome. Let's see some of the features of this. Let me scroll it down. You can see here it has multiple search features. Even you can customize your font. Even you can save your content in the form of HTML, PDF or PNG. Okay, and you can use this tool to customize your font as well. Okay, so let me add extension. Okay, and it will display this message. Let me go to my OpenAI ChatGPT. You can see it has multiple categories. You can choose any of these categories. So I'll choose one of the category. Okay, like social media, and I'll give it a prompt over here. Write and add post for Instagram. Okay, if there is any spelling mistake, it will not contain any problem for you. Okay, so you can see here it has generated a post for me. Okay, and in this way you can generate any kind of post, and even you can change your theme as well from here. Okay, there are different theme options. You can choose any of these themes. Okay, just click on regenerate and it will regenerate your theme. Okay, and you can see here it has regenerated for me, and in this way you can regenerate your content. Okay, you can choose hacker theme as well. Okay, and different font options, so you can choose any of this font and click on regenerate. Okay, and it will regenerate. Okay, and it has regenerated for me. In this way you can use this AI extension to regenerate your content or to generate your content. It has also save and export feature as well, so you can download it in the form of PDF or PNG from here itself. Okay, if you click on download PDF, then it will be downloaded on your system in the form of PDF. You can see here. Okay, I have downloaded it on PDF. So in this way you can download in any form. Let me choose another option like PNG. So it is in the form of image. You can zoom it, zoom out. Okay, and next is like export, and you can share this. Okay, click on share, and from here if you want to share you can easily share. Copy the link and share it to your any of your friend. Okay, if you want to delete you can choose delete option as well. Okay, so one of the best feature which I like is shareable features. Okay, you can share from here itself. So if you like this video, hit on the like button. If you are new to this channel, you can subscribe this channel, and if you have any query, comment down below. See you in the next video.